Good morning, children. Today's date is 5th of July and the year is 2021. Today's day is Monday. And today in our phonics class, we are going to learn the sound of a new letter. Yes, so today we couldn't have a live class as I'm down with fever. So I have just made the short video for you. Yes, so that you can learn the sound, phonic sound of this letter. The name of this letter is M. Okay, so now let's learn the sound. You can see on the screen that there are two letters. Yes, so the letter is the same. Okay, this is the capital M. Okay, the big M. And this is the lowercase letter m. Okay, now coming to the sound. Yes, so all of you put both your lips together. Okay, and now we make the sound. The sound of this letter is mm. Yes, so when you eat some nice tasty pastry, yes, and you want to express it that it is very tasty, you make that sound, isn't it? Yes, we say it. Mmm. Yes, so that is the sound of the letter M. Now that's the name of the letter. The name of the letter is M. But as of now, we will focus on the sound. Yes, the sound of this letter is mm. So you all call out for your mama. Yes. So the beginning sound again in the word mama is mama. Yes, you all can try that so that you get that sound right. So now let's have a look at few pictures, yes, of objects wherein the sound begins with Let's recognize the pictures one by one. Okay, so we start with the first one. Here, this is a map. Yes, so this is the letter M. The sound is M, A, P. Map. Yes, you know the sound of all these three letters now. So you can start reading it. M, A, P. Map. Yes, coming to this one. Yes, this is a mug. Yes, so we drink tea in mug, tea or coffee. Yes. Now who is this? This is a. Can you try recognizing the sounds? This is man. This is a man. Yes, this is your favorite fruit. Most of you love this fruit. This is a mango. Mango. Yes. And which animal is this? Monkey. Yes, it's not monkey. It is monkey. And this you see in the sky at night. So you see stars, and what else do you see in the sky at night? You see the moon. Moon. Yes? So the sound of this letter is map, mug, man, mango, monkey, moon. Now coming to the homework sheet. Yes, I'm going to send you a picture of this sheet separately. So after completing this sheet, you can stick it in your literacy notebook. Yes, or else if parents can draw it, well and good, you can draw these pictures in your child's literacy notebook. Yes, and then they can complete their work. So because few objects are going to be new for children, the name is going to be new. So I am going to tell the name of each object. yeah, or each animal that is there in this picture. Okay, and then children, you have to decide if the beginning sound is okay, and if the beginning sound of that object is you color the picture, and if it isn't, you just leave it like that. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. You all know what's this. This is a kite. Now in the word kite, is the beginning sound No, it isn't. So you don't color the picture. The second picture is of an animal. Yeah? He's the king of the jungle. Who is he? It's a lion. Now in the word lion, the beginning sound is L. But we are here finding pictures that have the beginning sound as So this also does not have the beginning sound Yes, the next one. This is an interesting one. You wear this during birthday parties. This is a mask. Now in the word mask, is the beginning sound mask? Yes, it is. So you color the picture. The next picture is of a lemon. Now in the word lemon, is the beginning sound No. In the word lemon, the beginning sound is L. The next one is the picture of a monkey. Yes, now the word monkey begins with the sound So you color the picture. The next one is a new one for you. Now this is a leaf. Yes, but this leaf has a name. This is a maple leaf. Maple. Yes, maple leaf. Because it has a different pattern, and yes, it changes its colors in different seasons. So it turns from green to yellow to orange to brown, yes, and then it falls off the tree. So this leaf is called maple leaf. Yes, so you can color this picture because the beginning sound in the word maple leaf is Next is the picture of a mouse. Yes, so in the word mouse, the beginning sound is Next to the picture of a lamp. Lamp. The beginning sound is not but L. The next is the picture of a moon. Yes, again, in the word moon, the beginning sound is So now you know all the names, and now you can decide which object has the beginning sound as So all of you can complete this sheet and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning.